Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the book.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiana Raylan back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys 10 side hustles that you guys can use as a entrepreneur if you're just getting your business started or you just need to make some extra money. Like, these are 10 side hustles that you can use. So yeah, I've done a few of them, and I haven't done some of these, but these are different things that you can try that you may like. So yeah, let's make this not too long, short and quick, so you guys can go on about your day. But so number one would be to create a YouTube channel. You can use it as a side hustle at first until you actually start, you know, making good money on YouTube. But obviously that do not come right away. I'm still building my YouTube channel. I'm not even close to 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers, but I'll get there by next year. You got to speak it into existence so it can happen for you. So that's what I'm doing. So that can be a side hustle while you're working your 9 to 5 or you're in school or something like that. That could be a little side hustle, but something that's fun to do. Just record videos of things that you like. Like, I mean, come on now. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. And possibly being able to make money from that. Yeah, I mean, it's great. Especially when you start in high school. I feel like I wish I would have started in high school. And then you move on to your adult life and you can kind of transition that over. That would be super dope. Unfortunately, I did not start in high school. I'm starting now, but it's never too late, and I'm happy I started now. So that would be my first side hustle for you. My second one would be those things like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, stuff where you can, because when you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to build your business and build your brand, you need free time. So you can't work a 9 to 5 and have time to do work for yourself, because by that, I mean, you can, but I mean, in reality, when you're starting a business, your business need 100% of your time. You can't like half-ass it, you know. You really have to put all of your time and effort into your business if you want it to be successful. So it would be great if you can have your business as your full-time job, even though you're not probably getting paid any, like, little to nothing. Maybe you're not getting paid anything right away. Maybe you're just getting paid just a little bit, but you're working your way up because you believe in yourself. So you're working your way up to get to that point. So things like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, those can be something great because they kind of work around your schedule. You can do them whenever you want. So on to number 3, I would say Uber and Lyft. So you have the deliveries with the Uber Eats, and Postmates. I think you can deliver anything. Like, somebody may want a fan from the store or something like that, and you would just go grab it and deliver it to them. So it's not just food, it is food and other things that you deliver. So then Uber and Lyft, and you have to have a car for the both of those. I think you can do Postmates with a bike or like a scooter or something like that. I mean, I wouldn't want to do that, but I mean, you could. So yeah, Uber or Lyft, you have to be 21, and those are also great side hustles for you to make extra money as an entrepreneur. A lot of entrepreneurs do it. You're meeting new people, you're networking, passing out your cards. I mean, like, you are seeing so many people, and it may not be people that even live in the city that you are, because you do like airport rides too. So it's a huge networking strategy. actually do it to promote my business, and I have my car logo sticker on the side, and I pass on my cards when I am doing that. So it is a great opportunity if you're a photographer, whatever you do that's freelance and you're trying to start your business. That is a great way to network. Amazing way. Like, that's the tool you should use it for if you're trying to build your brand or as a side hustle and you just want to make extra money. Number 4, I have not tried this, but I've heard great things about it. Amazon Flex, which you just pick up Amazon packages and you deliver it, I guess like same day delivery. So that seems pretty cool. The next one is Rover, and I think the other one is called Wag, where you like dog sit and you walk people's dogs. You can cat sit and just animal sitting. So that is also great, and people pay a really good money for you to walk their dog. So I mean, that's great. I wouldn't mind my own dog, but I'm not really that comfortable with maybe walking anyone else's dog. So I mean, I guess if you're a dog lover, I do love dogs, so I'm just scared of bigger dogs. So yeah, but if you love dogs and you're not afraid of like the bigger dogs, then I would go ahead and go for that. Another thing is Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark. Anything that you don't want, you can literally just sell it on Facebook Market and Poshmark. Your clothes, maybe furniture. Also offer up, and what's the other one called? I can't remember right now, but I know it's offer up, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark. You can sell your things, anything that you don't want, that you just, because honestly, we all need to go through our closet, and the things that you haven't worn in a year, just get rid of it. You know that you're not going to wear it. I know us women were like, oh, well, maybe one day, probably never. So just get rid of that stuff. That could be some extra cash for you. So go through your closet, any furniture that you may not want, electronics that you may not use, get rid of it. That's extra cash. So that's a good one. And also eBay. eBay is really it's like Facebook, all that type of stuff. I would put because I put Etsy on here as well. So eBay and Etsy I would put on the same like column, because what you can do on both of those is maybe you don't have anything that you want to sell of yours. You can go to the Goodwill, and you can go to thrift stores and go find things that you can possibly sell on eBay or Etsy, like, because there's the option where it's not brand new and you're taking a picture of it so people see it before they purchase it. So that is a good way to make extra money, because obviously when you go to the Goodwill, everything is less expensive there, and thrift stores. So yeah, like, just buy it from there and go flip it. Like, work smarter, not harder, okay? Another one is GoShare, and I think the other one is called Ship, maybe. Don't quote me on that, but I know GoShare is definitely one. You deliver people groceries, so people order their groceries and they just pick it up and deliver it to you. That's another side hustle that you can use. Oh, and then, so I haven't rode one of these, but like the little scooters, I guess you can like collect scooters and like charge them, so you can get paid for that. Did not know that, but yeah, you can get paid for collecting the scooters and going to charge them. I'm not really for sure exactly how that works, but I have an app that you guys can download, and I'll tell you that would be kind of like a bonus for you guys. So I think we're on number 10. So number 10, this one is kind of for guys. I mean, females, by all means, if you want to do this, then just do it. But for the guys, like moving services, there's one in particular called Bellhop. You can just go move people's stuff, and you can set up your schedule whenever you want. You get paid like weekly or every few days or something like that. So that is another great side hustle. And then depending on like the house or the apartment or whatever, you get paid more. Like, I mean, and you can choose when you want to do it. So you can kind of like mix and match some of these side hustles and see just kind of what works for you. Maybe you can probably just quit your 9-to-5 altogether and just use 2 of these side hustles together, and that equal out to be one of your 9-to-5, and you can do your own thing if you're an entrepreneur, because this is what this video is for entrepreneurs, and I mean for people to make extra money too. But literally, because when you are starting a business, it's so hard. I just got my own salon suite. I left a job that I was at for 4 years, so it was a big jump. I kind of jumped head first, and I mean, you have to believe in yourself. You have to, because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody's gonna believe in you as much as you believe in yourself. So it has to start within, and you have to. Everybody else, like, just have to get on the boat with you. Like, it's gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen overnight. And I was just watching, her name is Sparkle Marie on YouTube. She's great. I love her. She always puts some positive videos out there. But I was watching one of her videos and I commented on it, and I was just saying how, like, consistency is the hardest drug to get addicted to, but everybody's addicted to their phone. Social media is the drug that people are addicted to, but consistency is the drug that everybody can't get addicted to. And it's so true. It's so hard to be consistent, but when you believe in yourself, you're gonna make it happen. So yes, those are 10 side hustles that I have for you guys, and I hope you guys try them out. Comment below and tell me if you guys tried some of these things out. I know I've tried a few of them, and you guys use this as a marketing strategy. If you are a photographer, a hairstylist, if you are anything that you are doing that is on your own, make you some business cards. Go to Vistaprint, make you some business cards. Go Uber, go do Uber Eats, and pass out your cards. Pass out your cards. And make sure you're looking good, especially if you're like a fitness trainer, if you're a hairstylist, because some people give you a compliment, so it's an easy way to start a conversation. Like, oh, you look good. Oh, thank you. I'm a hairstylist, blah, blah, blah. Here's my business card. This is something that I'm doing to network and meet other people. Because sometimes people probably think like that's the only thing that you do. No, go ahead and, I mean, just kind of make it natural and organic for you guys to have this conversation with these potential clients or customers, somebody who will potentially be paying you one day. Like, I mean, so yeah, it's a great, all these things are pretty much a great way to get your name out there if you are trying to build your business. So yeah, again, these are 10 side hustles that are great to use. And my bonus tip that I have for you guys, I guess I should say, is an app called Steady. And I mean, a lot of people probably know about it. And it has different jobs and side hustles that you can choose from, whether you're like a freelance photographer or anything. It's just kind of, it also has, it's something called Prive for hairstylists, and you just go to people's house and you blow dry their hair or I think it's for estheticians, massage therapists, all of that. You go to their house and you do their service, and I think you make 80%, and then private take 20%, and then you get paid like every few days. And you work whenever you want. You pick your schedule. So it's a perfect side hustle for you when you are trying to build your business. So yeah, Steady is the app, and it just has a whole bunch of businesses where it says work whenever. You get to choose. It's like part-time work, work whenever, work from home. It has like a whole list, and then you choose kind of what suits you best. And yeah, there's like a whole list of different things on there. So yeah, that is the app. It's great. I use it, so check that out. Let me know how you like it, and I hope you guys enjoy these 10 side hustles that I gave you guys. So yeah, again, I am Tatiana. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Like, I'm growing, like, and I'm so happy. Like, I just can remember 5 months ago I was at 62 subscribers. Now I'm at 190. By the end of the year, my goal is to be at 1K. So you guys, please help me with that and hit that subscribe button. I thank you guys so much for watching me. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you guys can know when I post my videos, and you guys can be the first one to see them. So I'll see you in the next video, beauties. Bye. See you later.